If you have some digital household documents that are important to you, you might be wondering where you should actually store them so they're safe and easy to access. In this video, I'll compare a few storage options and explain why using more than one location is the key to avoiding accidental loss. Where you store your digital household documents is just as important as carefully scanning and naming them. The wrong storage setup can mean lost files, stress when you need something quickly, or a messy system. Here's the good news though. With some clarity about the storage options available to you, and a few simple principles, you can make storage decisions that keep your files safe, conveniently stored, and easy to find. Let's take a look at a few common storage options. For important files, a good first option is offline external storage, like a dedicated external hard drive that isn't constantly connected to your computer. These drives aren't generally exposed to online threats, and they give you a consistent place to keep the primary backups of your files. If sensitive documents are being stored, such as IDs, wills, and financial records, encryption can be used for extra protection. Your computer or mobile device can be a good place to keep working copies, files you need quick access to or want to edit regularly. But computers and devices can get lost, stolen, or fail, so don't rely on them as your primary storage location. Think of them as temporary access points rather than permanent storage. Cloud storage offers convenience and is particularly well suited for general documents. It lets you access files from anywhere and sync across devices. That said, accounts can get locked, hacked, or compromised, and privacy isn't always guaranteed. So, while cloud storage is a highly convenient storage option, particularly for non-sensitive files, it shouldn't be your only backup. Encryption can also be used to help protect files in the cloud, but it's not a fix-all. For really sensitive documents, offline encrypted backups are often the safest option. Here's a simple way to think about it. Your computer or device is for working copies. Offline external drives work well for main backups, and cloud storage is a convenient place to store copies. Encryption can add protection, but really sensitive files are safest offline. No matter the storage options you select, here's the most important point. Always keep at least 2 copies of your files in different storage locations, and use the same folder structure in each one. Whether you prefer to use 2 external drives, cloud plus an external drive, multiple cloud storage services, or another setup, it's the redundancy, having multiple reliable copies, that gives you real protection from loss. Now, your documents are important to you, and you might be wondering if keeping 2 copies is enough. For most households, 2 reliable copies is a great start. Just make sure that they're stored in different places. If you ever want to go a step further, the gold standard is 3 copies, especially for really important documents. However, don't feel like you need to start there. Start simple and grow your setup as you can. Lastly, a few quick tips. Update your backups regularly and check to make sure they're still accessible. Keep folder structures consistent across storage locations. And finally, if you're relying only on offline storage, consider keeping at least one backup off-site. Fire, flood, or theft could take everything in your home. It's redundancy and consistency together that will make your system reliable and stress-free. Take a moment today to review your storage setup. Make sure each important file has at least 2 copies in different locations. That's it for this quick look at keeping your digital household documents safe and organized across multiple storage locations. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing so you don't miss future tips. For those who want to build a complete step-by-step plan for all their documents, from scanning and naming files to setting up secure backups that safely store documents for the long term, check out the description for more information. And if you're just getting started, my Home Files Starter Kit is a free download that can help you take some first steps towards a simple, effective filing system for your digital household documents. Thanks for watching.